Good morning, children. You will see a volcanic eruption because we are living on the crust, and this crust is divided into tectonic plates. These plates are moving because of all the plates are on molten rocks. If there is a crack, a volcanic eruption may occur, right? And inside the earth there is high pressure and high temperature. So this high pressure will push the molten rocks or magma onto the surface. You can see the fire will come out. So fire will come out. In Latin we call this fire ignis. So all the rocks on the surface have been made of this fire, this ignis, this magma. So when the magma comes onto the surface, we call it lava. So you will see the black color, that cool substance. This is the cooled lava. So rocks are made because of the cooling of lava and magma. So then you can see the red color, which is called magma. This magma can be remain under the surface, and from that also we can make rocks. So this red color we call magma. So you will see another picture. See that magma come onto the surface, and by cooling lava made, and under the surface there are some red color that remains, which is we call magma. So the first type of rocks you will see granite. Granite is made of the cooling of magma. So magma is under the surface. By slowly cooling, this rock is made, which is called granite. So granite is a hard rock which is we use for the kitchen counter tops, and it can be used as a building material. So in the picture you will see those things. Here, building material, blocks. We have used the granite. And granite is a inclusive rocks. And the second picture you will see dark color black, that is we call basalt. So basalt rock is made of the cooling of lava. So lava is on the surface. By rapid cooling of lava, basalt is made. Mainly we use basalt to lay roads, and it can be used as a building material also, dense and dark in color, and if we hammer we can have grain substance. So you can see another nice that is stone, which is we call pumice. Pumice is made because of the cooling of lava rapidly, and with air bubbles need to be trapped inside the lava. So it can be used as a scrubber to clean our body, to remove the dirt. It is very light. So we can use the pumice to make lightweight concrete blocks. So you will see another type of stones, which is we call obsidian. So obsidian also made because of the rapid cooling of lava on the surface. Right? So you can see different colors of obsidian. Mainly we use these stones to make jewelry and ornaments because it has a glass-like appearance. For that we call glassy appearance. So in this picture also you will see different colored obsidians. So children, remember, this pumice, obsidian and basalt are made of cooling lava, which is on the surface. So the magma has come onto the surface. For that we call the exclusive rocks. Another name, volcanic rocks. On the other side, you will see that granite is made under the surface. That means magma remain under the surface, and that slow cooling of process. Another type of rock is made, which is we call plutonic rocks. On the other hand, we can call for those rocks inclusive rocks. Okay, children, in the given picture, you can see more example for the igneous rocks, which are andesite, basalt, diorite, gabbro, granite, obsidian, pegmatite, peridotite, pumice, rhyolite, scoria, tuff.